Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ashley, and today I'm really excited to be doing a collaboration with a new mommy friend that I've made on YouTube to do a clean with me for you guys. So her name is Amanda, and I'm gonna link her channel below. It's called This Crazy Life, and we've both been kind of discovering each other's channels, and I love her channel. She does haul videos, she does clean with me videos, and some mommy vlogs. I really encourage you to go check her out and tell her that I sent you. But for today, I'm gonna get right into the cleaning. I kind of have to clean everything in my house, but I'm gonna kind of just like go around and do what I can for now, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So the first thing I'm starting off with cleaning today is my kitchen island. My kitchen island tends to collect a lot of clutter. On this particular day, we had just gotten back from a beach day with my family who's in town, and I kind of just did not even worry about just throwing things everywhere while we were getting ready. So this is usually my first order of business whenever I start to clean the house. So I kind of just go around the counter and I separate things that can go in different spots of my house. Like I make a pile that I know needs to go to my son's room. I make a pile that is gonna go to my bedroom. And I kind of just put things away one by one, find a home for everything, and start with that. And then from that kitchen island, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my counters and just kind of declutter. I had to put the toaster away from this morning and just kind of unpack some of the bags that we had taken to the beach today. Just kind of find a home for everything and get the rest of my counters nice and cleared off. So as I was clearing off my counters, whenever I came across any dirty dishes, I would just put them in the sink or next to the sink so that I was ready for this next step, which is to go ahead and start doing all of my dishes that have accumulated. I load anything that can go into the dishwasher first, and then I save everything that I wash by hand for last. So I'm going in to get my dish detergent, and I'm using the 7th generation one, and I've been using this one for a really long time and have been happy with it, so it's what we've kind of stuck with. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that load of dishes started. Now before I start my dishwasher, I always have to recheck the settings because my toddler has a habit of sneaking over there and changing them, and then when I run the dishwasher I wonder why it doesn't start, and it's because he has put it on like a 2-hour delay, or there's times that he's turned off the heated dry, and I'm just like, why are my dishes so wet? I've been really loving making my own cleaner for the sink. I started making this cleaner for my bathtub, and then I decided that it would also be perfect for cleaning my kitchen sink. So what I do is I add some white vinegar, some of my plain dish soap, some eucalyptus essential oil, which is my favorite. It just smells so refreshing and clean to me, and then some hot water. And then I get my little spray bottle, and I'm just gonna kind of add that all in and mix it up, and it's the perfect cleaner mixed with some baking soda to clean out my sink and to clean out like my bathroom tub. I've really been loving it. now that my dishes are all done and my sink is cleaned, I'm gonna move on to wiping down all of my counters. And I'm using this Method brand lime and sea salt, and it's actually, I think, my favorite smell that this brand makes. It is just so fresh. It smelled like the beach to me. We had just gone to the beach that morning and it was just perfect. After I cleaned with this, I just felt like the house smelled amazing. It's so refreshing. Now, up next is probably my most challenging task as a mom and as a homemaker, and that is the laundry. And I'm sure I'm not alone with this, that laundry can really pile up quickly. If you can see here, this bin is like ridiculous and it's overflowing, and this is only from about a week of my husband and I's clothes. Now, there are some kid clothes thrown in here because my kids do take baths in our master bathroom. But it builds up so quickly. I was on a routine where I was doing 1 load a day in the morning. I tend to only do laundry in the mornings because my son goes down for a nap in the room that's right next to my laundry room. So I find it just not practical to be doing laundry while he's sleeping. So if I let it go out of hand and I don't stick to that 1 load a day, it just becomes really overwhelming. So that's kind of the situation that I've gotten into, but it's been way worse than this, I promise. For laundry detergent, I'm using Mrs. Meyer's, and this is the first one I've ever purchased, and I'm in love with it. The scent is honeysuckle. It is a lot smaller than a lot of detergent bottles that I've seen, but you really don't need a lot. It's very concentrated, and I have just been loving it. My family who has been visiting and washing their clothes in this have even complimented me on how good their clothes smell. It's amazing. Now, I left these pair of pants out of the load because it looked like they had blue crayon on them. My husband fessed up to having a crayon in his pocket after he took it away from our son, and so that kind of got in my last load of laundry in the dryer and kind of melted all over these pants, and I had them set aside. Now that I've got that load into the washer, I'm going to do something that's been really helping me out lately with laundry, and that is setting a timer so that I'm reminded to go change the laundry when it's done. I'm just going to go ahead and get these pants that have the crayon into the sink and try to clean them off with some Dawn soap. I'm going to try to scrape off whatever I can of the stain, and then I'm just going to kind of soak it. Dawn is actually my go-to when it comes to any kind of stain. If my kids have an accident or if they have food that is going to stain on their clothes. I've gotten strawberry out of white t-shirts before. It's really great. I just soak it for a little while and it gets it all up, and then I put it in the laundry and it's good as new. Gonna get back to work now that I have a full belly, and I'm gonna go ahead and check on that pair of pants that I had soaking in the Dawn. And when I squeezed them, the blue just started coming right out, so I can tell that was really gonna work. And so I'm just gonna kind of squeeze these out the best that I can and get as much as I can out and give them a thorough look through to try to make sure there's no more crayon, and that way they can go into my next load of darks and they should be good. Now I'm going to move on to my bed, which is a mess. I tend to make quite a mess when I'm getting ready in the morning, so I left that undone. So I'm just going to put away some swimsuits that I have laying around and clean up my husband's computer stuff from editing the night before. And I'm just going to kind of strip the bed so that I can get all the sheets changed. I really like to spray my linens with this, I guess it's a fabric mist. I can't tell because there's a clearance sign on it, but it's room spray, but you can also use it kind of as a perfume, and it's lavender, and it's just really relaxing, and I love the way it makes our sheets smell. I'm gonna go ahead and head into my living area and sweep a little bit. I have this big area by my sliding glass door that tends to get filthy really quickly. You can see the guilty party looking in the window right now. That's my basset hound. I have two basset hounds, Louie and Franklin, and they love to dig in the yard and track in so much dirt, and it's like a daily thing. I have to sweep at least once a day, so I'm gonna tackle that. And you guys will think that it looks like I haven't swept in like a week, it's so bad, but I'm telling you, I swept yesterday, and this is how it already looks. All my laundry is out of the dryer now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my kitchen island so I can get it all sorted and folded. And this load has everyone's laundry in it, my two sons, myself, and my husband. So I kind of just organize it per person, and I group it by like clothing item, like people's shorts, people's shirts, and etc. And then I make one large pile for each person at the end so that I can take it to each person's room and put it away. This is actually the last of the laundry to be put away, and I'm pretty proud that I was able to get it washed and dried and put away all in the same day. That doesn't always happen to me, but I think it's partly because I was motivated by doing this video. So I really hope this motivated you guys as well. And I want to thank Amanda again for doing this collaboration with me. I really hope you guys go and check her channel out. I think you guys will absolutely love it. And let me know if you would like to see more of these cleaning videos, because I would love to make more of them for you. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, guys.
Get out! Get out! Louie, get out of here! Louie, get out of here! Are you joking? Get out! Oh my God, get out of here! Louie, out! Kill me! Get over here! Get over here! You're not in the movie! You're not in the show!